Hello everyone, welcome to PT 79 Plus series, reading filling the blanks number 9. It means we have already covered highly repetitive, highly predictive 8 reading filling the blanks which have high probability of repeating in exams. So you can watch those explanations and link will be given in the description. And my name is Bhrat Brij. I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PT. Now students ask, sir ये आपने कैसे किया? आपने pronunciation में marks कैसे लिए? Grammar में marks कैसे लिए? Vocab में कैसे marks लिए? Then the answer is using two things. The first thing is artificial intelligence, the same strategy which PTE uses, right? And second is practicing on the software which is powered by artificial intelligence. Marvel PTE software is powered by artificial intelligence. And the second one is that using the strategies and tricks which I teach you in online coaching classes, institute mein, we teach you these strategies so that you can also achieve, and you can see the results in the form of ticker below. Over here you can see the students who have achieved their target scores in this week using our strategies. So a lot of congratulations to them, and let's get started. So PTE reading is of 32 to 41 minutes. Integrated timer होता है, so you have to manage the time of your own. Second important thing is this: it is not scored out of 90. 45 to 46 marks की होती है जो PTE की reading है. Rest marks comes from other modules or modules. Now you know it's going to be pronounced as modules, and it has 5 question types. The order of reading questions is fixed. So सबसे पहले आपका reading and writing filling the blanks आते हैं, then multiple choice multiple answers आते हैं, then reorder paragraphs, then reading filling the blanks जो आज का टॉपिक है हमारा वीडियो का, and then multiple choice single answers. One blunder which students make is focusing or giving too much time, or I will say wasting too much time on multiple choice multiple answers or multiple choice single answers, because this is the real scoring of PTE. अब 90 marks PTE के कैसे आते हैं? You can see जो reading है they just are of 45 to 47 marks, and उसमें से भी सबसे ज़्यादा important आपके reading and writing filling the blanks हैं क्योंकि वो 22 marks contribute करते हैं. Then is reorder paragraphs जो 6 marks contribute करते हैं. Reading filling the blanks 15 marks contribute करते हैं. Now let's see those ones on which you waste time. Multiple choice multiple answers 3 marks के होते हैं. Multiple choice single answers सिर्फ single mark का होता है. Now students ask कि सर आपको ये scoring कैसे पता? Then the answer is with our artificial intelligence analysis plus big data analysis. जो students IT background से उनको पता है big data analysis में कितना कुछ involve होता है, but this is the scoring, and then you get marks for reading from read alouds, of speaking also, then summarize written text also contributes 10 marks from writing, then listening से highlight correct summary, highlight incorrect words, वहां से भी आपके marks आते हैं. And reading filling the blank strategy क्या होनी चाहिए? That you have to spend 2 to 2.5 minutes on each. Means अगर आपको 5 आ रहे हैं तो in total you can spend approximately how many minutes? Approximately 12 to 15 minutes you can spend on total for reading filling the blanks. And अगर आपके पास 5 reading filling the blanks आ रहे हैं मतलब each will be of 3 marks, right? And which is the biggest mistake the students make is they read all the words, they try to understand all the words, but that is not the right strategy. Right strategy क्या होती है reading filling the blanks के लिए? You have to skim, and those who are our online students and take coaching from us, and we have students from all over the world, we teach them skimming कैसे करनी है. And then there is a slow method of improvement in reading. What is that slow method? In that आपको सब कुछ खुद करना होता है. You have to do it yourself. Then you have to identify your own mistakes जो बहुत मुश्किल होता है. अगर आप अपनी mistakes identify कर सकते हैं तभी आप अपने आप में improvement कर सकते हैं. Then you have to do your own research. अब जैसे अगर आपकी कोई reading filling the blank सही नहीं है, वो सही क्यों है, सही क्यों नहीं है, you have to do research, and then you have to teach all this yourself, and it's going to take a lot of time. That's why you move at the speed of snail. And then there is a fast method जो rocket की तरह आपके scores को boost कर देता है. Then you can achieve your target scores which is 79 plus in first attempt. Let's see that fast method. Fast method is a system that identifies your mistakes, जो आपकी mistakes identify करता है. Then you have to learn from a specially designed course, and then आपकी progress आपको check करनी होती है, monitor करनी होती है, and all these 3 things are covered with Marvel PTE. Our software is powered by artificial intelligence, so it tells you your mistakes. Our course is specially designed as per the PTE strategies, and then हमारे software से आप अपनी प्रोग्रेस भी चेक कर सकते हो। एंड दैट बीइंग सेड, लेट्स सी द रीडिंग फिलिंग द ब्लैंक स्ट्रैटेजी। सबसे पहले हम कंटेक्स्ट पे फोकस करते हैं, एंड ऑल दीज स्ट्रैटेजीज आर टोल्ड इन डिटेल टू स्टूडेंट्स हु टेक आवर ऑनलाइन कोचिंग और हु come to our institute. And for lexical resource also, LEX is lexical resource. Then third is grammar. In context, we put a lot of emphasis on skimming, then forward reading, then backward reading, then tone पता करना positive है, negative है, neutral है, it's very important. And then lexical resource में collocations are very important. For example, हमेशा make mistake होता है, वहाँ पे अगर आपने do कर दिया तो you are going to make mistake and you are going to lose marks. Then phrasal verbs बहुत important होते हैं reading filling the blanks solve करने के लिए. And vocab is something which you build slowly and steadily. Then grammar में बहुत बार tenses से आपके reading filling the blanks solve हो सकते हैं. Parts of speech की knowledge होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Parallelism की knowledge, what is parallelism means and से पहले and before verb की जो form use करोगे वही and से बाद भी use होगी. So EDs and ED. For example, helped and recovered. Okay, आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते helping and recovered. It will be helping and recovering. This is parallelism. Active passive voices, prepositions बहुत important हैं. Subject verb agreement बहुत important है. Then we have two modes in our software. One is exam mode, second one is time mode. जब आप exam mode को on करते हो, those questions which are highly predictive, जो बहुत ज़्यादा repetitive होते हैं एग्जाम में और जिनकी probability बहुत high होती है एग्जाम में आने की, only those are shown and then you can cram those, simply cram those, रट्टा मार लो और अगर पेपर में आपके वो आ गए तो assume करिए आपके scores कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच जाएंगे. You will be able to achieve your target score. And then with time mode, जैसे ही आप अपना time mode on करते हो, you are given a timer ताकि आप time based practice कर सको. Remember PTE में आपको time management खुद करनी होती है. When you are getting started तब आपको time management का idea नहीं होता. You are not used to with the things. Then in our software you can turn the time mode off. But when you are near exam, then you can turn the time mode on and then you get to see a timer. This is a screenshot from our software for reading filling the blank, and we give you 120 to 150 seconds to solve your reading filling the blanks. Our artificial intelligence based software auto calculates कि आपको 120 seconds देने हैं, 150 seconds देने हैं based upon the complexity, the length of reading filling the blank. So that's how you get used to practice under the time, ताकि आप पेपर में कुछ भी mistakes ना करें या पेपर में आप pressure ना feel करें, because you are used to solving your reading filling the blanks within 120 or 150 seconds. This is today's topic. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds and then we will start doing it. Psychology is a suitable course of study for those in all aspects of human thought and behavior. Now this is psychology, okay? You have to pronounce it like psychology, okay? So psychology is a suitable course of study for those who, now what you have to do, अगर आप यहाँ पे देखो सारे ही EDs की तरह हैं, तो यहाँ पे आप parts of speech नहीं use कर सकते हो, but वो बहुत advanced level हो जाता है. That's why I'm not taking it, because आपको नहीं idea होगा कौन से इनमें से adjectives हैं, कौन सी verbs हैं, okay? So what we are going to do is we are going to fill them one by one and see कौन सा sense बना रही है, right? This reading filling the blank will be solved on the basis of vocab and a little bit knowledge of English, okay? So let's see this. Psychology, अगर आप ध्यान से देखो, for those who are interested in, okay, जो interested हैं all aspects जानने में, आप इच्छुक होते हो, इच्छुक मतलब interested, but अगर आपको idea ना हो तब भी आप क्या कर सकते हो, एक एक filling the blank fill कर सकते हो. So practiced, for those practiced in all aspects, नहीं आप practice नहीं कर रहे हो. Defined in all aspects, आप सारे aspects defined थोड़ी हो रही हैं, affect थोड़ी हो रहा है यहाँ पे अगर आप affected कहो. Then applied in all aspects, कोई भी application की बात नहीं हो रही क्योंकि course की बात हो रही है. Diagnosis तो हो ही नहीं रहा बिल्कुल. So यहाँ पे एक ही fit होता है and that is your interested. And then we are going to fill this over here, and then psychology is a suitable course of study for those interested in all aspects of human thought and behavior, right? It can be something as the scientific study of how humans function on a biological, social and mental level. अब अगर आप ध्यान से देखो तो ये क्या है, ये उसको explain कर रहा है. किस चीज को एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है? साइकोलॉजी को। ओके, ये साइकोलॉजी को एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है। इट कैन बी एक्सप्लेन या फिर डिफाइन कर रहा है, राइट? सो डिफाइन यहाँ पे हमारे पास है, इट कैन बी डिफाइंड एज। ओके, अब यहाँ पे आप प्रैक्टिस्ड एज, प्रैक्टिस नहीं हो रही है, अफेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है, अप्लाई नहीं कर रहे हो, डायग्नोस नहीं कर रहे हो, सो दैट्स व्हाई ओनली द आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी डिफाइंड. And then there are a range of influential approaches to the subjects which are, अब यहाँ पे practice to such areas होगा, no. Affected to such areas होगा, no. It will be applied to. And apply to is a phrasal verb also. आप किसी चीज पे apply करते हो, so it will be applied to such areas as child development, health, education and sports. I know यहाँ पे कुछ ज़्यादा explain करने वाला नहीं है, but in this reading filling the blank, more or less as I said, it will be solved on your vocab basis and grammar of English. जैसे apply to आपको पता है एक phrasal verb है, यहाँ पे definition हो रही है तो इसलिए आपने definite किया या define किया. यहाँ पे interest की बात होती है, किसका जानने की इच्छा है, so interested हुआ. And always remember PTE is going to give you +3 more options. तो अगर आपको यहाँ पे 3 filling the blanks थे तो आपके पास total option 6 होंगे. Let's see, verify करके if the answer is correct or not. If you see the answer is correct. Now the students ask us, sir आप grammar course में क्या क्या provide करते हो? There are approximately 25 to 30 lectures in our grammar course, जिसमें हम parts of speech cover करते हैं, subject verb agreement cover करते हैं, prepositions cover होती हैं, models के बारे में information cover होती है, articles, determiners, signposting words, tenses, irregular verbs or plurals, British English rules, sentences, इन सब के बारे में we cover in our grammar course. And then in our software you can see आपके previous attempts में कौन से reading filling the blanks correct थे, कौन से partially correct थे. So because when you have to do revision आप correct वाले skip कर सकते हो, and then you can simply revise those which were partially correct. And when you click on any one of them, then there will be an option where it will say show me. जब आप show me पे click करोगे तो आपको previous attempts अपनी दिख जाती हैं, and this is how you can quickly revise near your paper. And always remember you have 2 or 2.5 minutes, and in first 30 to 60 seconds you have to skim the content, and then 90 to 120 seconds you have to look for clues, you have to find pointers, do process of elimination, and you have to create a habit कि आप 2 to 2.5 minutes में अपने reading filling the blanks solve कर सको. When you want to crack PTE, want to achieve your 79 plus 65 plus in first attempt, then you have to trust a system or professional, and it is like you are standing at the edge of the cliff and you are giving your hand, you are trusting someone, and आपको उस system या professional पे trust करना चाहिए जो आपको top पे पहुंचा सके, ना कि आप गिर जाओ, you fall down and then you have to re-attempt your PTE again. जितनी भी आपको strategies बताते हैं हम Marvel PTE की, all are validated and proven. The proof is in the form of scorecards which you can see in the ticker below, जो हमारे students achieve करते हैं every week using our strategies. And always consider Marvel PTE as the center of the PTE universe, where you will understand concept, then you will learn them, then you are going to implement them, and with the feedback you are going to perfect them, and then you can achieve your target score. We have correction or feedback service for the complete speaking, and this is included free of cost for our online subscribers, no additional charges, right? Or for those who are in our institute, so you can send your read alouds, repeat sentence, describe image, retell lecture for feedback or correction. Me and my team will tell you the mistakes. Complete writing correction service is also available, which is free of cost, जहाँ पे हम आपके summarize written text या write essays भी बताते हैं. You can send them for evaluation, and then for listening you can send for evaluation for summarize spoken text. Always remember this is a trophy which you have to win. The trophy can be 79 plus scores, 65 plus scores, or 58 plus scores, and you want to achieve them in first attempt. Okay, and if you are not following or modifying our strategies, you will not be able to achieve this trophy. But if you will be following our strategies, you will be able to achieve this trophy. And learning a language is like going to the gym. The brain needs exercise, and it needs repetitive exercise for it to develop, and practice is the key. And evaluation and monitoring is equally important. With our Send for Evaluation service, you can get feedback from me and my team. This is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. If you have any questions or doubt, you can ask us for online coaching also. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel, because we upload such informative videos on a daily basis. We give wings to your dreams.